Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming profiles and opening the file in a color-managed app. Choose the target Cmyk profile that matches the printer or press. Once selected, you convert using the app's Convert to Profile or Mode command. Make sure rendering intent is set, perceptual or relative colorimetric, because it affects how saturated RGB colors map to Cmyk. Once done, keep a saved RGB copy in case you need to revert. Now you've moved from setup into an actual color space conversion step. Now you address the middle, more technical stage, correcting colors that shift in conversion. You check saturated areas and apply selective adjustments using curves or lab to preserve visual intent. Make sure to set a sensible total ink limit, commonly 300 to 320%, so the press won't overload. Decide on GCR versus UCR for black generation to control neutral tones and shadow detail. Once these edits are applied, soft proof using the Cmyk profile on screen to preview result. Finish by preparing a print-ready file. Flatten transparencies only if the workflow demands it, and export with the Cmyk profile embedded. Choose PDF/X or TIFF depending on the printer's requirements, and set appropriate compression and downsampling for large images. Check black composition, rich black versus pure black, and run a contract proof or a calibrated test print. If colors look off on press, troubleshoot by confirming the printer's profile, adjusting total ink limit, or asking for a press calibration sheet to diagnose the mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.